Bantayan, what's that? Municipal Bantayan. I am here in Bantayan, and everyone taking, my goodness, there's a lot of people taking shower. I taking shower. The water is so clean. So I think this is free. So everyone have picnic. Everyone have picnic over there. So they are all taking shower. Taking shower. Taking there's a lot of people swimming. This is the wet market. I'm going to roaming around. I'm just taking a picture, a video. So I'm going. Many people taking swimming. I just noticed this, and the water is clean. Before the water here is not clean, but now it's clean. There are a lot of people swimming. So there's a lot of people swimming. Not there. Not there. A lot of people. I'm just wonder. I'm just amazed because I didn't know this. I was like 2 years already. 2002, 3, 4, 2 years already, and I didn't know. Like I didn't know this. I did not know this. So, whoa. So this is. Oh wow, what's this? They're taking swimming. Wow. Many people. I'm not sure if this is true. How about this? My goodness. So it's so clean. I didn't know this. So you can take swimming over here. Look at the kids. Oh, goodness. Look at them. But this is so deep. So and look. So this is the tourist spot. This is like, they make this because of they want this area to be, oh, this one is sale maybe, or this one is the decoration or whatever. Yeah, decoration. Oh. So there's a lot of people swimming. Look at them. Throughout over there. Gracious. Really? Many people. Oh, because today is San Juan. All of them taking shower. Now, now you know. Goodness. So this is oh no, I'm so afraid walking to here. I'm going. There's a lot of people swimming over there. The water is so clean. Oh my goodness. Is this really happening here? The, you know, you can swim. You, I really don't know this. And there's a house over there. And there's a lot of houses now. That small island over there, there's a lot of house now. Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. You know. Ah, look at it. Ah, my goodness. Asawa ko, I hope you are here so that you can swim. You can swim. You can swim over here. Lots of people. What is that? What is that black one? Like a luggage. What is that? Maybe a fishing net? Wow. Ooh. And this one is the other side. This is cool. See, look. They're taking shower. Why I always say they're taking shower? Many people swimming over here. They bring food. They cook food here. My goodness. Over there is so cool because they just go to the market and buy and then cook. You know. Many people swimming. And this is the wet market. So the resort is empty now. Many that's really mean that in Bantayan lots of people. Anyway, I'm here in the market now, so I'm going to buy mango. I'm going to buy fish for the cats. So okay, bye for now. Look at me.